I'm Theresa with My Fix It Up Life, and here's today's home improvement news fix. In home decor news, HGTV's Drew and Jonathan Scott launched a new 90-piece furniture collection with retailer Living Spaces. Included in the line are old Hollywood-inspired Art Deco staples, laid-back California must-haves, rugs, and art. The Drew and Jonathan collection for Living Spaces collection is available online at livingspaces.com. Did you know a Shaker woman named Tabitha Babbitt may have invented a circular saw in 1810 after watching two Shaker men struggling with a pit saw that could only cut in one direction? However, her religion prohibited her from pursuing a patent. In search news, How to Kill Carpenter Bees was a top how-to search last April, and so far this April, How to Kill Carpenter Bees is ranking high again. So here's a fix that can help. Spray a mix of vinegar, citrus oil, and water into the carpenter bee holes, which can kill carpenter bee larvae. And play some loud music while you spray because they don't enjoy those vibrations. Now maybe you won't have to search again for this next year. I'm Theresa with My Fix It Up Life, and you've just been served your home improvement news fix.